Hello everybody. I thought I would walk you through generating a Venn diagram. Um, so one of those things is a little bit hard to show in a text proof. You got to kind of do it frame by frame. So here hopefully a video is helpful. Here I have an argument. Some scary things exist. All vampires are scary things. These are my premises. Let me just put P1 and P2, and then I have my conclusion. Therefore, some vampires exist. So we'll look at how to diagram this and then how to see if it is valid or not. So the first thing to do is we have some scary things exist. And what that's saying is some things in this scary things circle, that's this circle here, are also in this circle. But we don't know where they are. So the things that are in both this circle and this circle are in these two areas there. Oops, not that I don't want the text box there. Oops, there we go. But we don't know which of the two. So what we need to do is put in x, and you're going to have to excuse that my lines are not super straight because I'm doing with the mouse. But there we go. We put in x there. And when that shows it's on the lines, we don't know which of those two segments it's in, but we know that something exists within those two segments. Now we know that from premise 2 that all vampires are scary things. So it's saying that anything that's in this vampire circle is also something that's in this scary thing circle. Or another way of thinking about that is there's nothing in this vampire circle that is not also in this circle. So the way we show that is we simply erase those sections or we eliminate them. And then our conclusion is that some vampires exist. Is that valid or not? And here's our X of things that we know exist, right here where my pencil mark is, but we don't know that those things are vampires. This X might be here, in which case vampires exist, or it might be here. We don't know which one. It's not as if one of those are eliminated. So this is invalid. And again, writing with the mouse, so, but it's invalid because this X could represent something here, or it could represent something here, or it could represent something in both of them. We just don't know. So that's an example of how to diagram a Venn diagram. I'll probably do maybe one more, and hopefully that helps.